started my 2025. I never ever celebrate like the starting of the new year because my goals is not limited to the years. I have goals for my continuous life, my continuous journey, and the thing is that how I started my 2025. So as a normal, there were some people were partying, they were happy and they were celebrating 2025. But as I was far from my home, so I was thinking that how I will manage everything in 2025. So the beginning was as usual, as normal. I achieved many plans. Most of the plans I achieved in 2025. In my opinion, in my perception, as I came to nursing, my life is not bounded just to the nursing. I have social life, I have to spend life with family. It's not about that this will be just about nursing in the hospital. So some of the goals that I set for my family, for my brother and also for my friends, that how I will manage it. And that something we have to do for our friends, something we have to do for our families. So alhamdulillah, most of the plans I achieved, but some of the plans are still missing there. I didn't get what I wanted. So inshallah in 2026 I will do my best and I will try best to achieve their goals and as well as more. And if this is suppose if you have plans just in your mind, the plans will be just, this is just in imagination. This will be forever, even if you have plans for years and years and years. If you have to bring the change in your action, you have to take action. Suppose I have planned to become something like I want to be a master in cannulation or in ventilator or just in communication skill. And I don't want to speak in front of people. I do not do practice. The perfect practice made perfect. So the thing and suggestion for you is that if you have dreams and you have goals, so you have to take a step for your goal. Other thing otherwise the plans will be just plans. So inshallah, the plans which are remaining from 2025 and the plan from 2026, I will achieve this, and inshallah I will do my best. And yes, as we talk about friends, so the worst discovery of this generation is the temporary relationship. In this era, most of the people they just so quickly, and they will ask question about your pen, your son, your child. So whenever you share with your friend, your weakness, your difficulties with those people, after some while they make just a sheet for you. Like suppose when you are in conflict with them, they use those things for you. They are suppose they want to defeat you, so your weakness, they will use your weakness. They will just think they will judge you on the basis of the information you gave to them. So my opinion, when you have the friend are those, this is one thing I want to share with you. When you are going to choose friend, your friend should be wise and smart, intelligent, respectful, that they know, they give you value. Most of the time, when you are in a gathering, when you are somewhere else, your friend is like the way he's talking, not the usual way he talks to you. इस तरह उर्दू में कहना चाहूँगा आप सबके लिए अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत काम आएगा कि एक बंदी ने रीछ से दोस्ती की थी तो वो बंदा सो रहा था, एक मच्छर आके उसके यहाँ सर पे बैठ रहा था, तो वो रीछ बार बार उसको हटा रहा था। फिर दोबारा जब वो मच्छर आ गया तो रीछ ने कहा कि ये तो नहीं जा रहा है, उसने बड़ा सा पत्थर उठा के उसके सर पे मारा। सो उसका दोस्त रीछ था, लेकिन रीछ जो था वो क्या था, वो उसके अंदर अकल नहीं थी। So whenever you are going to choose your friend, your friend should be wise. In a difficult time, they support you, and you have the ability that you can support them in their difficult time. Not in this suppose I have two friends. One is Sayyid Asghar and Inamullah. So I shouldn't expect same thing from this both. His circumstances is different and his circumstances is different. Suppose one can help you financially, one can give you a suggestion, advices and these things. But this is like a materialistic world. Most of the time people give values to those people who just support you financially. And a person like suppose is but he cannot support you financially. So it doesn't mean that you will not give value to him. These are the things which are really matter. You know, in life there are ups and downs. The time when you are weak, when you have nothing, when you don't have knowledge, this thing is temporary. But the behavior people show toward you, this is permanent. Suppose I don't know about something in a hospital as I came in the starting and someone behaved with me with ill manner, so I will learn this thing, I will get knowledge, I will get experience. But the behavior that person showed me, this will be forever and I will remember this thing. So we have to be careful whenever we meet with someone. It's a junior, maybe in our parent, sometime our parent, they will not be able to support us, so we shouldn't show the ill manner. Okay, the second, did you lose anything? Yes. In my life, I'm really very connected with all my relatives, even with all human. This is my perception, this is my motive, that we have to be favored in the eyes of Allah, not in the eyes of people. In gathering, we all are good. Suppose I am in this class, I am showing myself good, that he will admire me, they will admire me. So in gathering, everyone is good. It's totally depend you when you are alone, what you are thinking, what you are doing. So my love is all, I care all of them. Like so I lost my relatives, some of my friends, and you know, this is like as we talk about 2025. So we lost because there were flooding. We lost our citizens, we lost our population, even in different countries, in different areas. As we talk about Shamla, so there were flood. Most of the people, they lost their peers in this thing. And as we talk about Bonaire, so there were also flood, and most of the people, they lost their family. So I've also lost. And the lesson, yes, I listened so many, I got many lessons from 2035, even from my life, learn from the past, live in the present and work for the future. This is the way. As we say that when I perform the mass, and I perform the mass with full concentration, so I get happy. Why? Because when we are performing the mass with full concentration, that time we are just focusing on our present. And this is the key to happiness, and this is the thing by which you can be happy when you are in the present. Our problem is that when we are eating, we are thinking about something else. When we are sleeping, we are thinking about something else. When we are communicating with each other, we are just using our physical body and talking, but our mind is somewhere else. So this is the problem. When we are eating, we should eat. When we are talking, we should talk. When we are communicating with each other, we just communicate. When we are sleeping, we should sleep. Not like this. Suppose this is the mentally problem, and this is the problem that we are present in one situation, but we are thinking mentally in other situation. And the thing is that any achievement or progress, yes, I got motivated and I got many rewards. And the rewards, you give reward to your own self. Suppose when you are going in a road, as my friend know very well, Kamran and Shehbaz, whenever we are going on the way and I see anybody which has no petrol or something, I push him with my foot on the motorcycle. So this is my behavior whenever I see this thing. So sometimes when I help people, I give rewards to my own self. So this is also a big progress. You know, the inner satisfaction is more precious and very grateful for us when you give rewards to your own self. And I have one thing that I made in my life. Whenever I am studying books, so I sit and watch this day, so I will give one reward for my own self. Suppose I visit somewhere alone, I buy something for my own self, and I bought many things. Like suppose if I completed the chapter oxygenation, so I bought stings and some other thing for my own self. This is reward for my own self, and I give it to myself. And what are your plans for this year? So many plans. But the plan is not just like multitasking. I will go here, we are not. Just on the right path, I plan to learn Islamic knowledge as well, because this is the era you are stuck in different ways. There are so many fitnas, and the thing is that first, when you know the fitnas, so you can protect yourself from this thing. Suppose if this thing is harmful for me, but I don't know this thing is harmful for me, so how I can protect myself from this thing? But when I know this thing is harmful for me and it will damage me, so I will protect myself. So this is the thing, we have to get knowledge, Islamic knowledge. We have to be good. Like one thing we all have to be in mind. Knowledge in mind, money in pocket, kindness in heart, and be physically good. This is the thing. Thank you, sir.